back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to design a YouTube intro animation in Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to design a YouTube intro animation in Canva, all you gotta do is simply go to Canva. Once you're in your Canva, you can simply type in the templates. You can simply type in YouTube intro. Once you type in YouTube intro, you can get several of the templates that you can choose from. Now you can simply select one of the templates you want and now start a video project. You can simply customize with your logo, your text, your brand colors, animations, elements, and everything in it. You can choose your background. You can keep your video short, that is under 5 seconds, and even use the timeline to adjust timing, adding music, and animate individual elements or the whole page for a dynamic effect. Then you can download as an MP4 file for use in your editor. So this way you can design a YouTube intro animation in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.